Find the smallest number by which 8232 must be divided to make it a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the perfect cube. So obtain. See here, it means this question is what now? It's not a perfect cube and we need to find one smallest number. From that number, when we will divide this number, no? Okay, they are saying here divide. So when we will divide this number, no, whatever the result we will get to that, they're saying it's a perfect cube. Okay, now after finding this number, I mean after the finding smallest number, and when we will divide this number, the quotient we will get, no, that it will be perfect cube, and for that we need to find the cube root. Okay, since the number is even number, let me start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 left with 1 here. So we are having 12 here. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 can't divide by 2, so I'm taking here 0. Now it's now we are having 11. 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10 left with 1, so here it is 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 9s are 18. Okay, now 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 9 I'll get 12. So it means 12, it is divided by 3. It means this number is also divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 3 left with 1, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now let me take a 7. 7 4s are 28, 34 minus 28 left with a 6. Here we are having 63. 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Now let's make a triplets set here. So 3 can't. So 7 is a triplet set and 2 is a triplet set. So here 3 is what it is now, which is extra. So this we will consider now, that is the smallest number. Smallest number, which is now 3. Now from 3, when I'll divide this number, no, the quotient they are saying that's a perfect cube. Now let's check that. So before that, let me divide 8232 by 3. 3 2s are 6. After subtraction left with the 2, let me take this 2 down. 3 7s are 24, 21, 1 left. Let me take 3 down. So here we are having 13. 3 4s are 12. After subtraction left with 1, let me take this 2 down. So here we are having 12. Now 3 4s are 12. Okay, the remainder we got 0. Now 2744's quotient we need to find doing the prime factorization method, and the number is even number. Let me continue, start with a 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 left with 1. So here we are having 14 sorry, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 1 left, 2 8s are 16, 1 left, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Let me start with the 7. 7 4s are 28, 6 left, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, and here it is 7 1s are 7. Now let's make a triplet set here, and we found triplet set, and from the each set let me take one number. So we have 2 and 7. So when I'll multiply 2 7s, I'll get 14. Therefore cube root of 2744 is 14 here. Okay, so here is the smallest number. First sentence answer, that is 3, and second sentence answer, which is 14 here. Question number 9, evaluate. In that first question is, in the bracket 12 square plus 5 square raised to the power 1 by 2 and its square bracket which is in, and raised to the power 3 here. Now first we need to simplify it here. So 12 12s I'll get 144 and 5 5s are 25. Okay, and put it in the bracket as it is there, raised to the power 1 by 2 and again raised to the power 3 here. Now 144 plus 25 we need to add. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1. So we got 169 raised to the power 1 by 2, put it in the bracket, and raised to the power 3. Now to cancel this 1 by 2, we will write the square root of 169 here. We have to find out the square root of this. Okay, now 169 square root we can find it by doing the prime factorization method here. Okay, here 13 1s are 13, 16 minus 13 left with a 3, 13 3s are 39. Okay, now here 13 1s are 13. So 169 square root, which is 13 here. So let me write here the 13 square. Okay, 13 30s up, we will get 169, no? And here 1 by 2 as it is, remaining everything. Now this, which is like a m and n. So what we can do, we can like a raised to the power m and raised to the power n. We will write a raised to the power m into n like this. Okay, so here 13 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. square bracket and raised to the power 3. Now this 2 get cancelled. So what left? 13 raised to the power 1. So we can just simply write 13 also. Now its power we are having, that is 3. Okay, it means 13 we need to multiply how many times? 3 times. 13 into 13 and into 13 here. Okay. Now 13 13s are 169. Okay, from this only we can see here. Now we have to multiply 13. Okay, now 3 9s are 27, 7 here, 2 here, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5, 0, 1 9s are 9, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. So let me do addition here. 7, 9, 10 and 11, 11, 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we found that is 2197 for this question answer. Okay, evaluate after finding this, we found this. Okay, in that only we have another question, square root of 10 raised to the power 3 minus 6 raised to the power 3 and bracket raised to the power 3 here. Now first we will simplify here. Okay, now square root of 10 raised to the power 3 means 10 we have to multiply 3 times. Okay, so that answer we will get, that is 1000. And here 6 raised to the power 3 means 6 we have to multiply 3 times. 6 6 is 36. Okay, and with one more 6, 6 6 is 36, 6 here, 3 here, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21. So we found 216. Put it in the bracket and raised to the power 3 here. Now we will subtract here 1000 minus 216. 10 minus 6 it will become a 4, and here 9 minus 1 it will become 8, and 9 minus 2 become a 7. Okay, 9 minus 2. So we got 784. And here don't forget to write the square root and raise to the power 3 here. Now we need to find the square root of 784. Okay, now that I am finding by doing the prime factorization method here. 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 2 9s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Okay, 19 minus 18 actually left with 1 here, so we are having here 12. So 2 6 are 12, so we got 196 here. Okay, now 2 9s are 18, 1 left, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 1 left, 2 9s are 18. Now let me take 7, 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Now let's check whether the prime numbers we got in the pair. Yes, we got in the pair, and here each pair we can write 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 2, 7 raised to the power 2. So that numbers I am writing here under the square root. Okay, square root of 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2 into 7 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power 3. Now all powers are same, so let me take common. So 2 into 2 into 7, put it in the bracket and raised to the power 2 square root and raised to the power 3 here. Now see here, this square root and 2 get cancels. Okay, now what left? 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are, that is 20. 28's cube we need to find here. Okay, it means 28 we have to multiply 3 times. Okay, so let me first multiply 28 into 28 here. Okay, 8 8 is 64, 4 here, 8 here, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 is, that is 22. Okay, now 0, 2 8s are 16, 6 here, 1 here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. We need to do addition. 4 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we got 784. In the next step again 784 into 28 we need to do, right? 8 4s are 32, 2 here, 3 here, 8 8s are 64 plus 3, 65, 66, 67, 7 here, 6 here, 8 7s are 56 plus 6 is 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Okay, now 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 1 here, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, now let's do the addition here. 2 14 plus 1 15, here 1 6 7 8 9, here it is 11 2. So we got 21,952 for this. After evaluating we found the answer, that is 21,952 here. Okay, last question. Difference of two perfect cubes is 387. If the cube root of the greater of the two numbers is 8, find the cube root of the smaller number. See, this question is very interesting. Say first of all they are telling that is difference of two perfect cube. So there is a difference means we have to, what we have to do first, we have to do subtraction, right? So subtraction of which numbers? That is also perfect cube numbers are there. Okay, so when we will subtract, now we are getting the answer, that is 387, right? And if the cube root of the greater number, so when you are subtracting two numbers, no, and usually at the left side, if the answer is in the positive, no, left side answer will be what? Now it is like a greater number. For example, if you are subtract 4 minus 2, you are getting answer 2 here. So while what if it is 2 minus 4, you would have get as a minus 2 here, but the answer which is in a plus, so obviously this side is a greater number, and that greater number cube root they are saying 8 cube root. Okay, means to get this number what we need to do, we need to find the 8's cube here. Okay. Okay, so from that when you will subtract another number, no, you will get the answer 387. So we need to find the cube root of the smaller number. So we know the greater number's cube root, that is 8, but we need to find the smaller number cube root here. That I don't know, I'll just consider as a x, and here it is 8 cube we need to find, right? So first we will multiply, then we will find out the x value here. Here 8 we need to multiply 3 times, right? 8 8 is 64, again into 8. Now see here, 8 4 is 32, 2 here, 3 here, 48, 48 plus 3 is 51. Okay, so we got 512. 512 minus x, which is equals to 387. Now to find out the x value, what I will do, I will shift to this right side, and meanwhile I'll take this number to left side. Okay, so 512 minus 387, and when it will shift to the right side, no, it will become plus x, and I am simply writing x here, and when I have taken to the left side, no, it will become minus 387. It was here plus. Now 512 minus 387, that result I'll get, that is 125 after subtraction, which is equals to x. Okay, now see here. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that only we are not writing simple x, we have to write x raised to the power 3. How we have mentioned on here, like that we have to write the power 3 also. So I'll be having here x cube, that is. Now I'm shifting this cube to left side, so I'll be getting x equals to cube root of 125. Okay, and 125 is cube root, that is 5. So x value how much now, that is 5. Okay, now for this we can also do cross check here. 8 cube, which is 512, and x value we found, that is 5, and 5's cube, that is 125, and in between what it is there, minus sign it is there. Now we will do the subtraction here. So after subtraction I must get a 387. So minus 125, 12 minus 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and here it is 10 minus 2 is 8, and here it is 4 minus 1 is, I'll get 3. See, this is 7, sorry. So we got the 387. Hence what we found the answer which is correct, this 5. Okay.